Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard from the app. To do it, go to the settings, then scroll all the way down and click on remove device. This will disconnect your device from the app and from your computer. So let's click on yes, remove. Now it will be removed in a moment, I think, and if not, then just click on disconnect, or click here and click on forget device, and now it should be disconnected. You can see when I go back it is inactive. I can also click here to remove it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.